from the land of snow and polar bear, and that is Canada. I'm so excited to see what they have to showcase. So come on, let's have a look. Canada's pavilion is round, wooden structure with a theme Canada, the future in mind. Outside the pavilion features an exhibit Trace, a series of 8 cubes symbolizing the threat to species and ecosystem due to the climate change. The pavilion's interior features a 360-degree theater, which shows a 7-minute film with a panoramic shots of Canadian landscape, with scenes from across the country including wind farms, ports, and people working in agricultural and fishing industries. That's basically it. And for a country as rich as Canada, it's truly disappointing and embarrassing as Canadian to see that there is no interactive interface, no restaurants or souvenir shops that most pavilions have. Even Philippines, a developing nation next door, did a better job than ours. You see what I mean? Oh yes. Oh, look at this. The pavilion is named Bangkóta after the old Tagalog word for coral reef and draws you into a defined, free-flowing open space reflecting a culture that embraces openness, meaningful encounters, and connectivity. On display is a sculpture Helia by Dudley Diaz, a boat sculpture vessel of time symbolizing Filipino Austronesian ancestors who were maritime people. Uzbekistan. I hope I can actually pronounce it correctly. It looks really fancy. Let's go. Uzbekistan's pavilion provides a visitors a journey through time by the Silk Road. The purpose is to experience its nation through its past, present, and the future. Focus on history and its contribution to the world as a whole. It's actually really nice. This little map house here as well, historical. Uzbekistan is known to be the hidden gem of Central Asia. Just like its pavilion, it is known for the magnificent architectures and preserved traditions. From the picturesque natural landscape to historical site, Uzbekistan is known to be striking the eyes of millions of visitors for years. It's really interesting. You're surrounded with lanterns. Yes, the lights. How amazing is this? The journey is designed in a spatial sequence to create a storyline that will touch on historical relevance, modern advancement, and the future possibilities.